Hey guys, before we get into the video, I would like to ask a huge favor of all of you. And this is something that affects not just me, but a ton of other YouTube channels out there right now. YouTube has a glitch going on that is unsubscribing a lot of channels out there from people's notifications. So we all are experiencing a huge amount of loss of views, and it's affecting also the way YouTube does all their fun algorithms and fun stuff like that none of us really totally understand. And once we think we get it figured out, they change it on us anyway. So my favor that I'm asking is that you go in and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed to other channels that you want to see, and also make sure that when you go and hit that notification bell that you hit select all. That will hopefully help fix everything. A lot of us are just seeing a lot of things just drop down. YouTube is apparently working on this, but until they get it fixed, we all need your help. So I appreciate it. Again, subscribe. Make sure you hit all notifications when you hit that bell. Thanks so much. Okay, let's get started on the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another Weird Wish Wednesday. Well, today I am trying these Max Donna Instant Eyeshadow Stickers. So I went ahead and took off the eyeshadow I had on. I went ahead and put on an eyeshadow or an eyelid primer, and we're going to put these to the test. Now these run $4 to purchase them. You get 6 pieces in there, and it is $5 for shipping. So at the time I ordered them, they had a variety of colors you could choose from. Right now they don't, so I'll see if I can find some other links to sites that also sell these. Oh, I'm pretty sure this is not what I would have ordered. Wow, look at these. I don't wear blue eyeshadow, but I'm going to have blue eyeshadow today. So these are what they look like. Let me take a set out of their plastic here so we get the glare off of them. So that's, good Lord, we're getting a good glare today. Back here, there we go. So hopefully you can see we have a gold for the lid, a blue for the crease, and a shimmer for the brow area. And it says to press these against your lid and then slide the thing across. So place, press, and peel. Those are the instructions right there. And that's what I'm going to do. So let's give this a shot. Okay, place. Press. I'm pressing all over. Not so hard that I'm going to press my eyeball out. And then do that. Looks like you're still holding with fingers, a couple of fingers down, and then peeling. Oh yeah, that looks terrible. Oh my God. I mean, it's very accurate. It got the gold right on my lid. It got the blue in my crease, and it is definitely not high enough. I wonder if I can blend that out. Let's take a brush and see if we can blend this out a little bit. Well, what do you know? Kind of did. It actually worked. All right, let's try the other eye. You ready? Let's go in. Place, press, and peel. Let's get a good close-up. That's what it looks like when it first goes on. them. Why did I take off my beautiful eyeshadow to do this? Okay, let's take another one and see if we can kind of buff this blue out a little bit. That took a lot of the intensity out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is not the colors that I ordered. I'm pretty sure I ordered something in kind of the orangey range, so yeah, I won't be wearing these again because these are definitely not my color. Maybe Halloween. I might be onto something there. I guess if I want to look like I have an 80s look or something, this would be it, but for everyday wear, no. Now, this doesn't mean the other colors couldn't work out. I just wasn't expecting this. So, tell me what you think. Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think about this, but, ooh. Okay, thanks so much, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. If you want to see my Weird Wish Wednesdays, I throw those in every once in a while, but normally I have videos up on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I love you guys, and bye-bye.